In this video, I will show you how to use Visual Studio Code for Python on Windows 11. First, you'll need to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, open your web browser, go to the official Visual Studio Code website, download the installer, and complete the installation. Once VS Code is installed, open your web browser again and search for Python Download. Open the official python.org website and download the latest version of Python for Windows. After the download is complete, run the installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path, then click Install Now. Wait for the installation to finish, and then close the installer. Next, open Visual Studio Code. From the left-hand sidebar, click on the Extensions icon. In the search bar, type Python. Then install the Python extension published by Microsoft. Once the extension is installed, click File and select Open Folder. Choose the folder where you want to store your Python projects, or create a new folder if needed. If prompted, click Trust to trust the folder. Now, click File and select New File. Choose Python file from the available options. You can now start writing your Python code. When you're ready to run your program, click the Run or Play button in the top right corner. If prompted to save the file, give it a name ending with the .py extension, such as hello.py, and click Save. Your Python program will then run, and you'll see the output in the integrated terminal at the bottom of Visual Studio Code. That's it! This is how you can use Visual Studio Code for Python on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.